Want to replace your extractor hood bulb? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new bulb. Step 1. Remove the grease filter. To remove the lamp from the extractor hood, you first need to remove the grease filter. You can unclip this, lower it, and then take it out. Step 2. Remove the old bulb. On many models, you can remove the bulb via this opening. Is this not the case with your extractor hood? Then you need to remove the light cover. You can now remove the bulb. Step 3. Place the new bulb. Place the new bulb where the old one was and screw it back on. Step 4. Place back the grease filter. Place the grease filter back and click it into place. You have replaced the bulb and the extractor hood is ready to use again.